Okay.
So our organelle theme is cytoskeleton. Please don't forget to fill out the blanks.
Cytoskeleton is the network of protein fibers that determine the shape of the animal or plant cell without the cell walls, provides for the movement of cells, provides for the structural support and movement of organelles within a cell, and provides the framework for moving and separating chromosomes during cell division.
The name of the person that discovered cytoskeleton was the French embryologist Paul Winterberg in 1931. The filaments that make up the cytoskeleton were so small that their existence was only discovered because of the greater resolving power of the electron microscope.
The most obvious function of the cytoskeleton is to give mechanical support to the cell and maintain its shape.
It's especially important for animal cells that don't have cell walls.
On this picture we can see the cytoskeleton under a microscope, and also we are going to talk about the most important elements of the cytoskeleton.
The three types of protein fibers that make up the cytoskeleton are thick microtubules, thin microfilaments, and medium-sized intermediate filaments.
The diameter is 24 nanometers for microtubules, 7 to 9 nanometers for actin filaments or microfilaments, and 10 nanometers for intermediate filaments.
Microtubules are found in the cytoplasm. They are made of protein known as tubulin. They are hollow tubes that serve as a passageway, and their function is to transport materials within the cell.
Centrosome is a small region of cytoplasm adjacent to the nucleus that contains the centrioles and serves to organize microtubules.
Centrioles are 1 and 2 cylindrical cellular structures. They are composed of 9 triplet microtubules.
And eukaryotes, a specialized arrangement of microtubules, is responsible for the beating of flagella and cilia. Cilia in flagella are cell organelles that are structurally similar but are differentiated based on their function and length.
Microfilaments are made of protein known as actin.
Also, we can call it actin filaments.
Actin is a contractile type of protein, a protein that can get shorter and longer.
For example, if you look at our biceps and squeeze it, the bicep will flex. And when we will release it, it will loosen up again. And that is exactly what actin is. It's a type of protein that can get really tight and loose.
Its function in the microfilament is to create the structure of the cell.
Intermediate filaments are more primitive features of cell than microfilaments and microtubules, which are often disassembled and reassembled in various parts of a cell.
They are especially important in reinforcing the shape of the cell and fixing the position of certain organelles. The various kinds of intermediate filaments may function as the framework of the entire cytoskeleton. Intermediate filaments serve as a guide wire. They prevent collisions and they maintain the organelles such as nucleus in place.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for the question.